welcome back to another AFI $1,000 giveaway. This time we're gonna get us a bunch of slushies. 4 contestants will have a large container filled to the top with a slushy drink. They will each have to race against each other to see who can finish their slushy first. Now, whoever can finish their slushy first, that will determine who sucks the most. No, don't use that. Whoever finishes their slushy first will move on to the next round, except they won't, because there's only going to be one round, and whoever wins that first round, that next round is going to be the round of victory, because they would have won. I don't know how this works. For the selected contest entries, here are your AFI representatives. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's get this competition started and see who's going to be winning $1,000.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I can't get it. I got nothing. It was wrong. It already happened. How are you doing that? The brain freeze.
It's so sour.
There's nothing going up.
Why did I choose the blue one?
Oh my god. Ah! My head. I've got nothing.
Oh!
Do I have to use the straw?
Yeah. No.
No?
Just get down. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's all stuck in the straw.
No, it's all solid. It's
Mine's turned to ice.
You have to drink that too. No! Everything freaking hurts.
Congratulations, Wendy F. You're the winner! And for everyone else watching, make sure that you follow the link down in the description below so you can get your chance at winning our next giveaway, because we do these every single month. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to keep up with all things AFI. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.